Eating vegetables is an excellent choice for your health. While many people enjoy the taste of raw onions, others dislike the smell they leave behind. However, you might be surprised to learn that consuming these small bulbs can significantly benefit your health and help prevent numerous diseases without you even realizing it. Onions are rich in vitamins and minerals and possess several medicinal properties. They have been a staple ingredient in kitchens since ancient times, valued for both their flavor and health benefits. Benefits of eating raw onions every day. 1. Loaded with nutrients and minerals, onions are rich in vitamin B, vitamin C, and antioxidants. They are low in calories and packed with various other minerals and vitamins that contribute to overall health. Our body produces harmful components known as free radicals, which can damage healthy cells. Consuming raw onions daily can help repair this cell damage and support new cell growth. 2. Good for heart health. Onions contain a unique component called quercetin, a super antioxidant that prevents cardiovascular issues like clogged valves. It reduces high blood pressure, a major cause of heart attack. Every year, thousands of people die from a sudden heart attack. Eating raw onions can reduce the risk of heart-related diseases. People who eat raw onions regularly face more minor heart problems than non-eaters. 3. Fights cancerous cells. Onions include several properties that can prevent cancer like stomach, ovarian, and lung cancer. All types of onions are rich in flavonoids that decrease tumor growth and provoke healthy cells to fight cancerous cells. More than 16 studies have shown that people who eat raw onions have less cancer risk than those who avoid onions in their diet. 4. Reduces bad cholesterol. The journal Redox Biology Institute did a study in 2016 and found that eating raw onion enhances a component called oxalipins that help decrease LDL or bad cholesterol levels in the body. Bad cholesterol can become a nightmare for the arteries and a major cause of heart attack. So start eating raw onions, and you can naturally and quickly reduce the LDL level. 5. Bone health. Women standing near the menopause period must add raw onions to their diet because several researchers show the positive results of eating onions. It enhances bone density and bone strength, and eating regularly appears to have many interesting results regarding bone health. 6. Improves digestive system. Onions contain soluble fiber that helps good bacteria increment and is good for our intestines. If you face any digestive troubles, start eating raw onions but avoid eating the excess amount, or the advantages can reverse.